So I wanted to do a quick video. I'm repairing here two Dunlop rotovibes, and the models are the JS4S, and they have a annoying problem. That is, when you have it on bypass, there is a clicking noise. I have it here connected to my computer and in Ableton, and I'm amplifying the signal 35 dBs so we can hear it more easily. And I have this oscilloscope that is showing me what is going on. So if I activate the pedal, you can see that it gets slower and faster depending on the position. So that's expected on how the pedal works. But the pedal is on bypass, so the LFO is always working. So I start debugging the circuit and lifting resistors and start trying to figure out how the hell is going on. How is that happening? But then I noticed something strange on this connector. See that last connector there doesn't have a cable? And yeah, there's no missing cable here. And I checked in the other one and it's actually the same. And that track there is ground for a couple of resistors and a couple of capacitors. So I thought, wow, it could be that this thing is floating. And I measured it with a tester, and actually it is. And here I have connected a cable from the output ground, and I'm going to connect it here, and the noise goes away. One cable mod for you. And now I'll activate the pedal and play the guitar. Sorry, it's a bit loud, but I think that's it.